Good morning, Finovate. My name is Ole. My long name is Ólafur Óskar Egilsson. This is my colleague Isabel, and we are here from Meniga, a leading fintech in Europe. We've been providing white label software or digital banking solutions for 10 years now and are proud to power the digital experiences of many of the leading banks across the globe. We are here today to tell you about a new platform we just launched in Scandinavia, bringing together businesses, banks, and people. Our aim is to help banks harness the power of transactions to make their customers happier than ever, and at the same time, benefit their bottom line. Meniga Rewards builds on top of our already existing transaction processing and enrichment services. The app is live in Sweden and Finland and will soon roll out to other Nordic countries. It helps businesses to send personalized offers to customers of participating banks. And it's changing the way businesses and banks interact with their customers. People get more out of their money. Businesses reach the right consumer, and banks increase customer engagement. Now let us show you Meniga Rewards. For the consumer, it is just as simple as connecting their cards. The platform takes care of aggregating transactions, enriching them, and categorizing them. The offers are available within our app, and the businesses, they run campaigns to either increase loyalty for their existing customers or onboard new ones. And as I said, the offers are available within our app, but also through digital channels of participating banks. The rewards go straight into the consumer's pocket in the form of a cashback with no effort by the end consumer or the end user. It's all seamless. So when the user swipes their card, we immediately calculate the cashback. We send out a push notification with the amount earned, and the users can also view the total accumulated earning within the app. But this is not all that we wanted to show you today. So as many are aware of, climate change is a global concern, and many people feel guilty and powerless when it comes to that. So what they need to feel is that they can have a positive impact on the planet's well-being. Our mission is to improve people's lives through transactions. And this month we rolled out a new feature which allows people to support projects that benefit the planet. We call it Give Back. Meniga partnered with the United Nations Climate Change Initiative to help people donate their cashback to a worthy cause. People can follow how their donation has contributed to the planet's well-being and how every little give back accumulates to a large sum. Already 20% of our users have opted for this feature. We aimed for 10%, so we're pretty happy about that. And our community has offset over 800 tons of CO2. And to put that in context, it's the equivalent of the carbon footprint of 160 global citizens over the span of a year. Now, this is something we tell our users. We also can show them their individual carbon footprint based on their spending history. And then we take it one step further and offer them alternative ways to reduce their footprint, such as challenges aimed towards spending less on carbon-heavy categories. Banks, they process vast amounts of data, and they have the opportunity to put that data to good use for their customers, to make it work for their customers. Think what Google, Netflix, Strava, and other tech leaders are doing with data to engage their users. Now think about what your bank can be doing. Meniga's digital banking platform takes transactions, account information, and other data available to the bank. We then create value from it by enriching it and serving it up through a feature-rich API layer, which creates infinite opportunities to build meaningful user journeys based on the data your bank already holds. So I'm happy to tell you today that the use cases we have demonstrated here earlier, along with a large selection of features such as enrichment and merchant mapping, is now available as a service in the cloud, which makes it so much easier for banks to use the power of transactions to delight and engage their customers. That's it for now. Have a happy Finovate. I hope this was inspiring. Come visit us at booth number 19. Thank you.